Math 102, example 3.6.2. So once again, we'd like to solve a rational equation. This time it's a slightly more difficult one. So again, I need to find my least common denominator. Now x goes into x squared, because x squared is divisible by x. So that means my LCD is x squared. Remember, it has to be at least as big as my biggest denominator. So again, I am going to multiply both sides by that LCD, which does mean I'm distributing. Now, as I distribute, I am going to multiply that x squared in the numerators only. So as I go through this, my denominators are not changing. Now, if I do this first step, it does look like I've made my problem worse. But if I've done it correctly, I should then be able to reduce these fractions. So that second fraction reduces to just 13x. The third one is just 36. And of course, 0 times anything is 0. So again, my first step might look worse, but by the next step, once I've simplified, I should no longer have fractions. If I still have denominators, then either I picked the wrong LCD or I did not distribute correctly. All right, at this point, I have a quadratic, so I'm going to factor. Again, you can use the quadratic formula if you prefer. This is x minus 9 and x minus 4. So I get positive 9 and positive 4 as answers. Again, before I box them off, though, I want to check. If I put a 9 in my problem, do I get division by 0? No. If I put 4 in my problem, do I get division by 0? No. So these are both okay. We will see what it looks like when they're not okay in our next problem. Again, we do want to do that check, though, because we will see those problems.